Today we're going to search for a hotel in Surakarta, also known as Solo, which is located in the center of Java Island in Indonesia. From what I've been told, the best area to stay is around Gladak or near Galabo, where there's apparently a night market. That's more or less the area we're going to focus on for finding a hotel. Most buses arrive near the central train station, which is about a 20-minute walk from this area. Surakarta is often called Solo to make it simpler and to avoid confusion with Jakarta and Yogyakarta. There's also another Surakarta on the west side of Java, so adding Solo helps clarify we're talking about the one in central Java. All right, we're going to search for a budget hotel, and for that, we're going to use the best comparison tool available. Let's go to wcifleet.com, Sky. Here we'll have access to hotel comparisons, and we'll find the best prices across all booking sites. So let's search for a hotel. We want to go to Solo Surakarta. They're the same place. For example, let's say we're arriving tomorrow, January 31st, and staying for 2 nights until Monday. Let's search. I need to type Solo or Surakarta again. If it doesn't find Solo, I'll type the full name Surakarta. There we go, Solo Surakarta. Be careful though, there is a Surakarta on the west side of Java. We're going to Solo Surakarta in central Java. That's also why people often add Solo to avoid confusion. Now let's search for a hotel. We'll see that there are many options available. Again, we want to be in the area around Gladak or near Galabo, which is about a 20-minute walk south of the Surakarta train station. Apparently, that's the nice area to stay. Here's the train station, and we want to be in this area. Let's zoom in to search for hotels in this neighborhood. I'm comparing with Google Maps to make sure we're in the right place. Relative to the main road here, the big almost horizontal axis, we want to be above that axis, in this area right here. I'm trying to find the exact street I'm looking for. Here we have Slamet Riyadi, here's another street. So we're around this area. There are quite a few hotels here. We want to be within walking distance of the night market and the train station. Let's add some filters. For example, let's say we want hotels between 10 and 20 euros. We can go a bit higher. In Indonesian rupiah, let's say up to about 460,000 for nice hotels. Let's also filter for excellent rated hotels just to see what we have. Here we have 2 options that look excellent. Of course, ratings also depend on the number of reviews. We have 5-star hotels, 3-star hotels, different room types. And let's say we want a hotel with a swimming pool. Great. Here we have 2 options that look nice. Let's open both to compare them. So we have several good-looking options. Let's check the details. Here's a small pool. Doesn't look like much for swimming in this one. Let's open the photos. There's a gym, and the pool looks a bit bigger here. That looks nicer. If, for example, we're looking for a pool we can actually swim in, this one looks better. It's not super huge, but it's decent. Let's zoom out a bit. Do we have more options? No. With these filters, that's all we have. Here's another hotel a bit further. We're still more or less within walking distance of the nice area. And this is the last hotel in this zone. It seems to have a pool, but we don't see it clearly in the photos. Let's zoom out a bit more. Do we have more options? No, that's still all we have with these criteria. So those are the choices we have. There are quite a few hotels in Surakarta, and now based on these criteria, everyone can choose the best one for themselves. To compare all the hotels, I suggest you go to wcifleet.com, Sky, and you'll find the best hotels not only for Surakarta in Indonesia on the island of Java, but anywhere in the world. Safe travels.